Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Soundtrap and picking or creating a new project so you can record immediately. Once done, plug in your microphone, USB headset, or an interface, and set it as the system input so Soundtrap receives clean audio. Make sure to grant microphone permission in your browser or app, otherwise the track won't capture sound. Then, in Soundtrap, add a new vocal or import track and select the same input to lock the signal path. Now you set levels and prepare to record so your takes are usable. First, arm the vocal track for recording and enable monitoring only if latency is acceptable. This lets you hear yourself. Adjust the input gain so peaks sit near -6 to -3 dB to preserve headroom and avoid clipping. That's why you control either the mic preamp or system input. Use the metronome or a loop for timing. Then press the red record button and perform your take with focus. Finish by editing and exporting so your recording becomes a polished file. Once recorded, listen through and split or comp the best phrases, adding short fades or crossfades to remove clicks. This improves continuity. Apply light EQ and compression to balance tone and dynamics. Use noise reduction only if necessary to avoid artifacts. When ready, export at WAV44. 1 kHz 16-bit for best quality, or MP3 for quick sharing. If nothing records, check input routing, permissions, and that the track is armed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.